This platform you can see here on the screen has the potential to give you 10,000 naira for free in 7 days time. The potential of you earning big amount of this money on this platform is limitless, and you can earn continuously as much as you spend your time on this platform to work. So before you get to this platform, just go to any browser of your choice: Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera Mini, and dial in this keyword known as SiteGeek with a URL of sitegeek.co. So it will take you to this interface, and as you can see here, this is the interface you will see. You will see business, you will see worker, but we will get to that. So before we continue, my name is Basi Ejubajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and on my channel we'll talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a legit platform where you can use as a side hustle, and you'll be able to earn 10,000 naira every 7 days. Note, this is a side hustle, and you can decide to take it as your main hustle, but it is not a financial advice. So as you can see here, it says harness the collective intelligence, skills, and insight of our global network to effortlessly optimize your business operation. So it says, what do we do on this platform? It says SiteGeek is a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. This could include anything from conducting simple data validation and research to more subjective tasks like survey participation, content creation, and review of social media content, voting, and many more. It says, why do you choose us? Is one thing about this platform is that they have an optimized efficiency, they have increased flexibility. That means you can have access to global on-demand workforce, eliminating the difficulties associated with dynamically scaling as an in-house team. So you can also save money on this platform. So how it works is that SiteGeek offers individuals and businesses access to a diverse on-demand workforce, and also gives earning opportunities through a flexible user interface. So this platform is very, very easy for you to actually sign up in and start making money. Now, just like I said, if we check on the dashboard of this platform, you will see that there is a business and there is a worker interface. So click on worker, as you can see here. Now, that first aspect I was actually trying to tell you about is for those who are coming to this platform to outsource their works to people. But now, as a worker, is that you can make money in your spare time. You can become a SiteGeek worker and start applying your skills to the thousands of available tasks available in the SiteGeek marketplace. So this is about the platform. So yes, a dashboard for business, and also have a dashboard for worker if you are here to start making money. So what you just have to do is to click on start work. So I will take you through the processes. You just click on start work and you allow it to open. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos so that a lot of people will also get notified about it. Your friends will also come to my YouTube channel and get value. So we're going to continue. So you just only 3 processes: just giving your username, your email, and your password. For the referral option, check the description. I will be dropping my link, so you can just continue, click on my link, and it will take you to this platform. It says enter your preferred username. So we'll be giving our username. So allow it to open, we'll give in our username. So that's our username. So our email, please make sure you give a valid email address, a valid one. Please don't give the one that you say is for your friend or whatsoever. Please make sure you give yours. So our password, will be giving in our password on this platform. And we click on register. Click on register on this platform. Wow, they've taken my name. This is my name. Like, actually, this is my name. Who took my name? All right, Ejogba 12. So let's click on register. Alright, sorry, everything here got wiped out. So let's give in our email again. Let's give in our email again and our password. Wow, I'm surprised that someone is actually using my name on this platform. So let's click on register. So now to verify our email, this is enter the code we sent to your mail. So let me remove my phone from. Okay. Alright, so we have our link, our OTP sent to us on our email, and that is a major reason I say you should give a valid email address. So we're going to pull in our OTP that was sent to us, and we allow you to open, and we click on verify. That is third step. So now our email has been verified, as you can see here. So we have to give in our first name, our last name, and our mobile. We have to give in our first name, our last name, and our mobile phone number. So giving your phone number to them. So this is my phone number. So 6246272746. So you click on next, and you allow it to open. Phone number already verified. It's like I'm already registered on this platform. If I'm not mistaken, it means I'm already registered on this platform. So I'm going to use a very different ID on this platform now. I'm going to use a very different ID on this platform, because what I'm seeing is that I'm already registered on this platform. Because it's just because of this video, that's why I'm trying to do all this, so that you'll be able to follow up on the step-by-step way in which you can register on this platform too. So I have 08026860414. I will click on next, and we allow it to open. So please check it out and make sure you drop in your comment in the comment section. So as you can see, you can see our interface or our user dashboard on the platform. For now, I have 0 completed tasks, 0 total earning, my phone balance is 0, and I have a 0 total balance. On this platform, you can also buy airtime, data bond, you can also pay bills, and if you are here to come and get workers, just like I said in the beginning, you can decide to fund your wallet and you will be able to get workers. So you click on this 3 dash here, and you can see here, you can see tax center. So you click on the tax center, and it will be taken to the tax that are available for you on this platform. So you can see here, it says watch video on YouTube for 50 naira. You can reels like reels for 3 naira. Follow IG account 10 naira. Follow IG 8 naira. So these are available gigs that are available currently right now for you on this platform, and a lot more of them that are available. So you can just come and check it out. When you click on this, for example, now you click on watch video, you'll be taken directly to YouTube. Yes, you'll be taken directly to YouTube, where you'll be able to watch the YouTube video. And when you watch a YouTube video, you'll be asked to screenshot where as you are watching the video, you make a screenshot, you upload on this platform, and the 50 naira will be added to your side gig dashboard, where after you complete the task, you see total earning here, you see 50 naira for you on this platform. So you can also decide to check your wallet, where we have no recent transaction. You can also decide to refer people. You invite your friends also on this platform, and when you invite your friends on this platform, you will also tend to make money too. So this platform is very, very legit, and it's a platform in which you can use to earn money just by watching videos, uploading your proofs, liking a post on Facebook, liking a post on IG, following Instagram accounts, etc. So this is very very legit, and you can check it out. There's a possibility of you making 10,000 naira for free on just 7 days on this platform. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button so that I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.